Okay? So that's all I'm really trying to impress upon you here. That yes, you're going to have nodes that make incorrect calculations, but that's okay. You're going to fix them in the same way that we've tried to fix other models before. It's really no different than that. You're going to adjust your weights. Sometimes you can adjust your inputs, and then you're going to see what downstream effect it has, on your results, and you're going to go from there, right? Just as Yassine says, just as you would in a simple linear regression, right? So speaking of which, what measures, let's build upon that, right? What measures did we use for model evaluation in the past? And also, what is a ground truth? I know most of you are going to know the answer to the second question, but I just want to establish a common understanding here, right? Or there could be some people that are also newer in the chat, right? So what did we use for previous model evaluation? Because we just agreed that we're going to fix the model in the same way we fixed other models. So can't we use the same evaluation metrics? Right? So what are they? And what is a ground truth? What do you guys think? MSE, and a ground truth is a recorded expected prediction from the data we collect.